Members who are in support that the notice of allegations of gross misconduct against His Excellency Sir Samuel Fubara, GSSRS, Governor of Rivers State, be investigated should indicate by raising their hands. Please do the count. Against. Against. Abstention. Distinguished colleagues, the clerk has ensured that the votes counted. Those in favor that the investigation should proceed are 25 number. Against, nil. Abstention, nil. Distinguished colleagues, by this voting, the Rivers State House of Assembly has resolved that investigations against allegations of gross misconduct leveled against His Excellency Sir Samuel Fubara, Governor of Rivers State, should proceed to the next level, which is investigation, and by virtue of Section 188, subsection 5, I will ensure that the resolution of this House is immediately communicated to the Chief Judge of Rivers State. Clerk, what do we have next?